Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Gather materials: 200 g couverture chocolate, a piping bag with a small round tip, acetate strips, a baking tray lined with parchment, and a thermometer. Chop chocolate into even pieces and warm gently. Temper to 31 degrees C for dark chocolate or 30 degrees C for milk chocolate using the seeding method or short microwave bursts, stirring between cycles. Keep the tempered chocolate fluid and pour it onto acetate. Pour to about 1/8 inch thickness and spread into a long strip roughly 3.5 inches wide for consistent. Fit the piping bag with a 2 mm round nozzle and practice writing names on parchment until strokes feel steady. Work in short bursts and breathe out on long letters to steady your hand. Pipe names onto the acetate strip, making letters at least 1/4 inch high so they read clearly, and leave a 1/4 inch border around each name for trimming. For embellishments, add dots or tiny leaves with contrasting chocolate. Chill the tray for about 10 minutes at 4 degrees C until the tags are fully set and firm to the touch. Remove set tags from acetate and use a sharp knife or a rotary cutter to trim individual pieces to consistent dimensions. Aim for roughly 3.5 inches by 0.8 inches so they sit well on cakes or cupcakes. For placement, warm a small dab of tempered chocolate or spread a thin smear of ganache on the dessert surface and press the tag gently in place. Avoid melting by working quickly. Store finished name tags in a cool, dry place at about 18 degrees C. Keep them in a single layer and plan to consume within 7 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.